live session. I'm going to show my physics lab to the audience. And today is Friday, and the weather is cloudy, and it seems to be raining. So let me show my lab, physics lab, and instruments and apparatus available in this lab. Okay, so this is the it's not opening. I'm going to try another one. Okay, that's what we call the vernier calipers, and this instrument is used for measuring the length or thickness or diameter of the objects that are very small in size, right? And it has two jaws, the upper jaws and the lower jaws, and there are two scales. And look at this one, look at my thumb. This scale is known as vernier scale, and the one which is longer in length, this one, this is known as man scale, vernier scale. And if you want to find the length of any object, you need to put the object between the jaws, and this is the knob that is used for keeping the object firm and fixed inside the vernier caliper. So we open it like this, and put the object inside it like this, and then we make measurements according to the readings that are shown in this. And there is a specific technique, calculation and formulae to calculate, but anyways, this is the vernier calipers present in our physics lab, and it is used for the measurement of length of the objects whose size is very small. Okay, now after the vernier calipers, I'm going to show the micrometer screw gauge. It is broken. So let me show you another one. There are a lot of screw gauges, and this is the micrometer screw gauge, and it is used for the measurement of the length of objects that cannot be found with the help of the vernier calipers. So when we can't use vernier calipers, Then we use micrometer screw gauge. Okay, after this, I'm going to proceed with the. Okay, so 1 micrometer screw gauge, and these are the weights. Look at this. This is the weight, and the boxes in which these weights are kept. And these words are for the experiment purpose, like the experiments of the equilibrium and torques, etc., etc. These are the words, and let me show you this. It is ammeter, and it is used to find the magnitude of the current present in a circuit circuit and after this, look at these lab instructions, and I by myself wrote these instructions, general instructions, into the lab after adopting the mindset of that of a scientist. Avoid food and drinks in lab. Get your work signed by your teacher. Bring calculator, pencil, and set of math instruments. Avoid noise to avoid distractions. Do not use long wires for electrical connections. Be careful while using sharp-edged instruments, and focus on what is instructed by the teacher for safe use of instruments. And these are some safety, physics lab safety instructions. Don't run and play inside the lab. Don't insert anything into the electrical sockets, and wear goggles, and, and these goggles are used to avoid the high intensity of light, and safety is priority. Clean the apparatus before using it. So it means that whatever apparatus do you use, you need to clean it before using it and even after you leave or enter the lab. So when you enter the lab, you need to switch on the fans and lights according to your need. And when you leave the lab, you have to switch off the lights and fans. And let me show you one of the instruments, one of the devices that is very useful. It has been to our lab, physics lab, and this device, this instrument is known as spherometer, and it is used to find the curvature of an object. Curvature of an object. Let me tell you something about the curvature. Let's say if you want to find the curvature of this cylindrical body, then we need to use it, and we can place it over this surface and adjust these knobs, right? And look at the scale, the graduation that is given on the scale, and we can find the curvature of cylindrical bodies, spherical bodies, any type of body you can use. Let me show you the spherical mirrors. So this is the spherical mirror, and this mirror is this concave mirror concave mirror, because in the concave mirror the internal surface is used for reflection of light. Okay, and let me show you another mirror which is known as convex mirror. Okay, I think, yeah, there is one. Okay, so it is a convex mirror because its outer side is used for the reflection of light. Convex mirror. And here are some prisms. Look at this prism. And we all know that prism is used for the separation of colors, and it gives us 7 colors from the white light. Okay. There are a lot of instruments in this physics lab, and I'm going to show these instruments in the next live session. So thank you so much for joining me. Take care of yourself and your families. Allah Hafiz.